What side is that?
We are going to the Asia side. We will pass through a famous tower there in the sea. Oh, Bosphorus.
Where are you going?
Where are we going?
Wow! You're going to the other side? Oh, Yasemin, baby.
Come. Yasemin. Oh,
Yes.
Mami, oh.
Saan kayo pupunta?
Mami, oh.
Saan ka punta? Wow! Saan galing yung pera mo? Turkish
That's $5. Not $5.
lira?
Are we moving?
Oh, we are moving.
Okay.
Where are you going?
We are going to other side. She enjoyed na.
What time is it there?
Wait, 2 o'clock.
What side is that?
We are going to the Asia side.
Asian side?
Yeah, Asia. Today the weather is good. Yesterday it was so cold.
Turkish.
I buy one tea.
She's enjoying na? How much is the...
Me and Yasemin will be 15 lira, 45 pesos.
Yasemin! Diba? Enjoying? She's not afraid. Huh?
Look at
Careful, Yasemin.
she cannot fall from there.
Saan ka punta? To
The
the...
video is from there. It's not blue.
No, not much. Earlier, it was blurred. Now it's good.
I think it was because of sun.
Internet.
It was coming from the opposite.
Oh.
We will pass through a famous tower there in the sea.
The restaurant? Yasemin, wala ka nang iniinom.
She cannot hear you.
It's empty, but she is still sitting.
Huh? Careful, huh?
Yasemin!
It's okay.
Be careful.
There is a... She cannot go near.
Oo. Huwag kang tatayo dyan.
Yasemin, you like it? Good? He didn't like it. Why? You scared? It's very good. It's only 45 pesos. Oh, Bosphorus. Oh, they are fixing the tower. It's under construction.
Where?
There. You saw it? In the middle of the sea. It's under construction. Bye-bye. Yasemin, say bye-bye.